To create a parallel line by copying an angle, we first need to make an angle to copy. We're going to do this by connecting the point that we want the new line to go through to the line that we want to be parallel to. It does not matter where this new line goes through. It could go like this, it could go like this. You could try for a right angle or an estimate. It doesn't matter where this angle is. I'm going to create mine like this because I'm most comfortable with my vertex being on the left side like this. But again, it does not matter where you draw this first line. As long as it goes through the point you want the new line to go through and then through the line you want to be parallel to. Once you have this, you have 4 angles. Pick one. I like to pick one that's acute. I usually pick this one, but you could pick this one. I like to pick this one because generally the lines are longer and you have more room to work. You also want to make sure that this line is long enough that it's at least this length or maybe a little bit shorter, a little bit longer, so you have enough room to copy your angle from. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be copying this angle here because that is the corresponding position. It'll be above the line and to the right of this other line. That corresponding position, if those are congruent, will create a parallel line. So I'm hoping to copy my angle here. So this is going to be my new initial side. This is my old initial side. So these two sides are going to be matching up with each other. So copying an angle, we're first going to create that arc, placing the string, placing my pinch string on the vertex. Again, it can go kind of far. It doesn't have to be super close as long as I have enough room and I can transfer it up here. So maybe like this long, create my arc, and then again, keeping it the same, I'm going to move it up to here and create the same arc. Again, I want it to go below where I think the line is going to intersect it so that I have enough room to create that intersection. So these arcs are the same, distance away from the 2 vertices. And then I'm going to measure how wide this is, and I'm going to be measuring it in this direction. So I'm going to place my pinch string here and extend my pencil here so that I can place my pinch here and create my arc over here. So I'll place my string back on my pencil. Again, going to place my pencil and then mark where my string hits that intersection to know how wide. And then I'm going to transfer it up here. Again, just try your best. It doesn't have to be super perfect as long as we can get it close. Something like that. So I've created this new intersection point that'll correspond here. And then we're just going to connect to create this terminal side of the angle, the vertex, and that new intersection point. And again, it doesn't have to be super perfect, it just needs to be close. And that's it.